am going to do my personal way that I apply LashLiner system. And mine, the design that I bought is the Los Angeles kind. So there's a Los Angeles, then the Dallas, and then the Las Vegas. So this is a couple steps from the most extreme, like glamorous, over the top kind of lashes. So what actually keeps them on your eyes is the magnetic eyeliner that comes with the kit. And this kit after tax was somewhere under $60 with shipping and everything, I believe. Maybe it was $62. It wasn't that bad because, granted, this is gonna last me a couple of months, as opposed to eyelash extensions, which were costing me like every 3 weeks, $90. $90. So I'd say I'm saving a lot of money, and I can wear them when I want. I don't have to worry about them flaking off in bed like the eyelash extensions. I'd wake up and there'd be like clumps of eyelashes in the bed. I'm like, it was kind of gross after a while. I've done all of my makeup on my face already, and I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the lashes. The liquid liner itself is pretty easy to apply, at least to me it is. I've been doing eyeliner and wearing it pretty solidly for years now. As a performer on stage, I like to have dramatic eyes, and I don't really like lip products. So I tend to focus a lot more on doing a dramatic winged eyeliner look, and I apologize, I'm out of breath. I'm like in the 3rd trimester as of, well, tomorrow. I'm 27 weeks pregnant. So, sorry if I'm getting out of breath a little bit. So here we go, LashLiner system. So the instructions on the box say to apply 1 layer, let it dry for 30 seconds, apply another layer and wait for about 60 seconds. I do it just like I would do my regular eyeliner. And what you could also do to save product and not use this up as fast is just do your regular eyeliner underneath and then put this on top just where you need it for the eyelashes to stick, if that makes any kind of sense. Like do your wing and all that with your regular eyeliner and then go in with this just on the eye section. I'm gonna get, sometimes it kind of is hard in that inner corner to not mess it up, but that's what Q-tips are for, right? Okay, so there's just like a simple thinner line. I'm gonna move on to the second eye, the other eye, like I have more than 2 eyes. So my curls, some of them are funky today, but you do definitely need 2 layers of the liner. Now, how you remove this, if you're already wondering, I like coconut oil, but I also really like the Almay oil-free eye makeup remover. That's what's been really helping me, that combination of both of those. I don't buy into like, you need to buy the LashLiner systems, you know, remover. I just don't ever buy into that. Like, I have stuff that will work just fine. Coat 2, and then I will start applying them. And like I said, as a performer, I like a more dramatic wing look because I don't have big eyes. I feel like if you have normal to smaller eyes, you can pull off a more dramatic look to kind of help your eyes out and make them look bigger, especially if you do the trick that I've taught already in a previous video. I'll link it below, but this trick that I'm doing now, where it's almost like the line just goes straight across my eyes to make the eyes look wider. Close enough. I'm liking what it looks like. I'm gonna clip my hair back so we don't have to fuss over that. All right, I do recommend kind of bending it like this to kind of break them in so it fits the curvature of your eye. It kind of naturally bends with the curvature of your eye. Sorry, that's like all my travel stuff on the bed. I'm doing laundry, so I just kind of center it, and then the ends kind of get tricky. You just have to kind of have patience and stick them down over and over again until the magnetization, is that a word? Until the magnets really lock in. I know a lot of girls like using tweezers to do this. I just like using my fingers. I'm gonna put on a touch of mascara, just a touch. So yeah, make sure it's just centered first and then just kind of plop it on. The end, the outside of it usually sticks better than the inside. The inside's like the toughest spot. Okay, So as you can see, they're pretty dramatic, and it just takes patience. Once you do get them locked in, like, you can usually tell when you're ready to rumble for the day. So I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on this eye. And then let's rumble. So I like to actually focus more on getting that down first. After you do go through all of that, once you get them on, you're like, damn, I really like the way they look. They're better looking than lash extensions for sure. I just think this is the way I would want my lash extensions to look. I always wanted it to, like, I wanted to walk out of, you know, my appointments after sitting there for like an hour. Sometimes I had 2-hour appointments to get the double volume, but this is what I always wished my lash extensions had looked like. I mean, just, I like over the top eye looks, and then keeping the rest of your face pretty simple. Let me know if you enjoyed this. Thank you to LashLiner System for creating a great way to make it easy for these, for someone like me to just have really amazing lashes, because Lord knows, when I got into the habit of, like, when I really wanted to try to learn how to do falsies, you know, with the glue and everything every day, my lashes got so caked up with that glue. It was disgusting, and it felt really unhealthy to be putting that much glue on my eyes every single day. I was just not good at it. This is a really good route for those of you who aren't that great at putting on falsies and don't want to put in the time and insane amounts of money for lash extensions. This is the way to go. Please do subscribe and like and comment below with any other videos that you would like for me to do. Okay, bye-bye.